Hi, cookie families. I wanted to explain the packet that you're picking up from school. It is huge, I know, but it's loaded with lots of goodies. So no panics, we're gonna take a step through it. At the very top is a baggie, and this has your daily activities. I have listed them even by days, and they're in that order in the packet. This packet actually contains 4 weeks worth. The 3 weeks of December and the first week in January. Behind that is a word problem book, the December word problems. We will be doing some during class time, some during small group time, and others if you need something to keep them busy. This is great practice. We've been doing these in small groups and in whole group, but not on paper to record. So this is going to start with that. Behind that is your writing journal for the month. We've given them lots of story prompts and some blank papers at the back. We did run it back to back. You're going to notice it has a rubric. And these are things we're going to start looking for in writing sentences. If you see this at the beginning, this is the prompt that we want them to start with the writing. There'll be a drawing area here. This is just a word bank for suggested words. It doesn't mean they have to be used. But we'll be covering this in class with the cookies. So you have a December journal. Behind that, you're going to see a little gingerbread boy or girl. Hold on to that for the last week. My cookies got the colored ones. That's why they're not in the packets. All right. You're going to see it says homework choice boards, but they're great practice activities. They include things like practice putting your zippers together and zipping them up. Picking a letter and making a list of things that begin with those letters. And then there's some great learning games in here also. Same with January, just covering bases. You know how they get during Christmas break, so those are great activities to do. And also this. We also have the January word problems. And then you're going to notice a packet with a pink cover sheet. These are the sight word readers. Your sight word readers are for the days that they do not have small group. It is great practice for tracking words, which means pointing to the words as you read, for using those sight words that they're learning from their flashcards, and I'm going to show you the flashcards in a few minutes. And also it is it's our answer to the asynchronous days, so that they are still getting some kind of reading activity practice. Behind that, each child has their own different colored envelope with their guided reading books. This is for their small groups in the mornings. Inside, in the back, are the sight word cards. Now these should be cut out on the lines, not kept whole. That way you can use them as flashcards. I think that's something I kind of forgot to mention this year, and I apologize. The top one is December's words, and the next one is January words. So make sure you cut them apart and put them in a safe place. Then inside the packet are books for their reading level, along with an occasional quiz. Not every book has it. Some have little pieces to cut out. At the very back is a craft packet. In this craft packet are a gingerbread boy or girl, several sheets of construction paper, and some drawing paper. We're going to do some directed drawings this coming month. Included in here also is some stickers, a sticker pack, so for decorating cards. We're going to be making Christmas cards. Shouldn't have told you that, should I? This is a craft activity. I will take the kids through how to do this. We're going to turn these beads and pipe cleaner into a candy cane ornament for the tree. Then there is a very special pack at the back. This is for a Polar Express Day. Now, I'm having the feeling we may not be in person, but it's also Friday, which is an asynchronous day. So what we're going to do is I'm going to let you know what time. We're going to do a Google Meet and have Polar Express Day together. Jammies, robes, yes. Included in here is a pack of hot cocoa, a candy cane to swirl in the hot cocoa, and a golden ticket for our Polar Express Day, along with a bell necklace. Hold on to this, put this in a very special place, and save it for that day. And fingers crossed I was able to find maybe some gingerbread cookies to add to this. I also included in the bags some extra glue sticks in case you were running low. And if you have any questions, oh, there's one other thing. They're going to get an activity to make a height ribbon ornament. I'm going to do a separate screencast to take you through how to do this, and I'll try to put it up before the first Friday of December. That way they can make it and hang it up. Basically what it is you take the ribbon and you make it as long as your child is tall. Your child will then put it inside and tie on the ribbon on the outside, and you can pull it out years later and find out how much they've grown since they were in kindergarten. So we're trying with this packet to give them a sort of what it would be like in kindergarten at this time. It's not quite, because there's lots of surprises I do in the classroom that they haven't seen yet, and I'm trying to see how to change it up virtually. But thank you, thank you, thank you for your constant support. I know this is tough. This is not how kindergarten was meant to be, but we're going to get through this together, and fingers crossed they're going to be back in this room sooner than later. So thank you, thank you, thank you, and have a great day.